We're here at a beautiful stormwater reclamation site, stormwater detention, which is a naturalistic preserve also. And we're going to discuss shade tolerance of shade trees. On the outskirts here are these beautiful developing willow oaks. Bald cypress planted. The willow oaks are relatively shade tolerant. This is all important to know in the design process. So here we're like on the back of the willow oak. There's still a fair amount of foliage. See, these are bald cypress here that appear to have been planted quite a bit smaller, or they've just not developed. So that's not particularly shade tolerant. The water oak, which is right here, and that you can see die back. I mean, areas where there are branches but no foliage. And so that's moderately shade tolerant, but not as much as the willow oak. This is in the red oak family, probably a Shumard oak. And that is even less shade tolerant. You can see the back of that is quite bare. And then the native sycamore, I mean, that's really leaning toward the light. So it's even beyond shade intolerant. It's just really sun dependent. And the sunny side, the side that has more sun, is quite full and beautiful. So again, here's in more sun. This is a water oak. See, that's really almost full, almost to the ground in full sun. So all important considerations as part of the design process. If a plant is shade intolerant, it may lead to disappointing results depending on the site conditions.